I'm setting up, getting ready to go. Hey, I'm Fish. Am I on noise canceling or regular sound? I can't see through the Action 5 Pro. That's the only way you can tell. Blue or like a amber color. Let's go check out the capsized boat, Captain Jeff. They covered everything up. And if it was salvageable, they would have did it right away. So here we are. And sorry to see this go down this way. What has happened? The hull breached. Maybe the sailboat they hit. Nobody knows. 11 people aboard. They all came out okay. Well, that's one less boat for the area. Sad to see. Have I ever been on Captain Jeff? Not at all. And that was the helicopter that we heard on the last vlog, where it was headed and why it was hanging. Pick a spot, feed the pigeons. Every day he feeds the pigeons over there. A busy bridge it is. Becoming very busy to get across. We could sit and wait for the sun to rise. We're just gonna pedal on down, get on down, go on down. There was 3, then 2, then 1. So where will the next boat be? 1 is under. That's why we didn't see 3 the other time. Just amazing how they stay there, don't get taken away. We'll see how long Captain Jeff stays over there. Now we got some color on the clouds. The sun is about to get risen. Give you another view from the opposite side, the back side, as you can see the boat. The Midnight Bullet used to be over there. It used to be a red boat. No more. Say hello to Mr. Seagull. He's out today. There he goes, off on his way. It would have been amazing that if the Action 5 Pro had hand gesture added to the camera. It has subject tracking. It has HDR tone, skin tone. It can do it. Just never had it. Never will. The Action 6 Pro will be the next camera coming out in, you got it, the next month, October. And hopefully by Columbus Day, maybe that camera will have a larger capacity internal storage, as well as hand gesture and more mic control and other phenomenal things. Did the sun start to come up? It's brightening. I just can't wait no more. I want to get going. You stay here and watch the sunrise. No hand gesture, no peace sign, no dual recording. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I just want to stop by and capture the shot of the beautiful flowers. They are gorgeous. I get why you gave up the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and I get why you want to get it back. And I'm happy I kept both my cameras and gotten the camera, for sure. I do different things with different cameras, and if I would have got rid of the Action 5, I would definitely miss the battery life of it. The sun is about up. I could tell by the window down the road. And I don't see the cutter, the cruise ship, or the helicopter. But I see some jet skis going out to the city. And they are booking. I'm just waiting and waiting. Take a little too long. I'm not gonna wait that long. But let me tell you, I found something interesting and it came on and I got it on and I'm gonna try it out and see if it works out for me. Yes, indeed. And yeah, it's out there. Just do a little Google and you search for it and it'll show up at your end. I ride a Cannondale Adventure too. And I'm down into the second gear lately. And I think I am just gonna add some more air to the tire. It's already at 40 pounds. Maybe I'll bump it up to 50. I'll double check it. And maybe I'll mosey along. Or maybe I'm just not as strong. I like this pump. I like this bag. It all fits in there nicely. And I need some string, a little thinner than that, like what I got here, the eyeglass string. And I do got that string, and I do got this string, and I'm going to replace that string with the string I need to use so I can have something like this hanging at the correct height and something a little higher. And that's the Insta360 lanyard strap. And I need another one. I need another. The maximum is 50, not 60, 50. We're at 34. A minimum of 30, up to 50. And that's what I'm putting in. 15 in the front. I was way low. No wonder why. I felt slow again. I still do want to get myself something that holds air. Maybe I need to put the stem tightener in there to stop the air going out. Force tires, man. This is a good pump. I like this pump. It's small. Maybe need just a little smaller pump. Doesn't take up too much room. That's why I needed a bigger bag, because I got everything in here. I got my, you got it, bike repair kit. Let's get on going. The sun's just coming up. Let me turn you around so you can see the sun. Watch the sun while I take care of beeswax here. Don't let the sun go there. You know that song, man. Lost Boys. How quickly the sun goes. Nothing like the fish being in the sunrise. The fish wants to ride. There's the sun coming up. Let's get on going. Get where we need to go. Woo, man. It stinks over here. Somebody's been smoking. There's the sun. It's gone. Blocked by a building. Did it come out again? Hang out as we go along just a little further. A little further, fish. Woo, the sun. Do we need to take a picture? Sure we do. So I'm stationary. And I do the peace sign. And a picture's off. I don't get it. Something that shouldn't be off. So we have a little discrepancy in the 360 video and then picture mode. They all should be the same when you're doing the peace sign, taking a photo. They're not. Nobody complained about it. Must be a home. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some, and I'm riding better. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one.